From last year, the entire concept of ICOs almost ended because most of the ICOs scammed and some of them failed badly. But still, ICOs has something which most of the traders didn't even realize, that ICOs till now even give you up to 50 to 100x easily. So that's why in this video I will share a coin which is in ICO phase now and you have the chance to make good profit. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us. Feel uninvited. The building offers people living spaces. Life fields have wider and more definitions if they have all kinds of closed writings. Life contains nature within it. Since the first day, humanity has always had a need for the shelter, the continuity of the development today's living spaces. Now I will tell you that how you can purchase the BEN token. It's entirely very easy. When you are going to click on this link, buy BEN, I will share the link of the website in the description so you can easily purchase the coin. So simply when you are going to click over here, you will be redirected towards this page. Then you have to enter your email address, then your Ethereum address, then your promo code if you have any type of promo code, then again Ethereum address. Then you have to click on the send icon. For example, if you are going to buy with 1 Ethereum, you will get huge amount of BEN coin. This is the wallet address on which you have to send the Ethereum. Now I will tell you something from the white paper. We are going to check out the white paper, and also the best thing is this, that on ICO marks, this ICO got about 7.9 ranking. It is one of the best ranking for any type of ICO. But the best thing are more of this coin. The building creates living spaces for the people. It is active in architectural project designs and the production of these structures. It deals with houses, sale and rent. The building's team wants to gain momentum with the project productions and quality income models to promote the brand value worldwide. The building BEN token is a service tool for humanity and a reliable port for profit. The BEN token runs on Ethereum blockchain, so that's why right now they are giving you an Ethereum address. So simply you will get your coin in Ethereum wallet address. If you want to buy this coin, you have to buy this coin because right now this coin is in ICO phase, and very soon when it will hit the market, at least the team is planning to list the coin on at least 5 big exchanges. The BEN token runs on the Ethereum network. Your investments made with smart contracts will be supported. It is not easy to invest in different countries around the world and make a profit from this investment, and time is one of the most important factors in this regard. In addition, the difficulty of making the investment in cash or banking makes the job quite troublesome in the procedure. Now the best thing about the NFT, because it's the time for the NFT also. So the team also announces something about the NFT here. I'm going to show you that one. The building team is also working on the NFT, and you have the chance to participate in this NFT team also. And as we all knew that right now it's the time for NFT, and very soon all these NFT will grow. So if you are going to buy any type of NFT, for example, I am going to buy the USA, simply you have to click on the buy icon. Then it will basically redirect you towards the main page of the OpenSea. So you can easily buy the NFT of the building team. So for example, if you are going to buy the NFT right now with 1 Ethereum, definitely in near future, hardly in 2 to 3 months, the around as per my own idea, the price will increase up to at least 10 to 15 Ethereum. So it's the time for you to make some good amount of money with building team. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.